So let's get into today's topic, right? Yeah. So, do you know anything about the machine water which Prakash drinks?
Yes, I roughly know a bit more about the alkaline water, but I doesn't know particular what's different between, because there's quite a few brand in Australia, isn't it?
Mm.
And yeah, I don't know what's different. If you can bring me through and also tell me more about the alkaline water.
Okay. Cool. And why do you want to drink alkaline water?
Because Vishal introduced me once, and then last month I think, like, one of my friend, they talk about the books about the enzyme factor,
Mm.
and then I read through a few topics, and they talk about the enzyme, they talk about food as well, and there's one particular topic is about the water.
Mm.
And when I do research on it, and then this guy actually founded, or I don't know, is it founded, or he's one of the guy also doing the Energic. That's
Mm.
one of the doctor
Mm.
in Japan.
Yeah.
That's the author of the enzyme factor books.
No. Good. Let
Yeah,
me give you some more additional information, and I'll be happy to take your questions as well.
yeah,
And if your wife want to or your partner wants to ask me questions, more than happy. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So this is a Japanese company, right? Enagic,
Mm,
and it is in the industry of water.
yeah.
It predominantly only makes water,
Mm,
and the water which you drink and use for cooking.
mm,
Yeah. Because we use water everywhere, right? For drinking, for cooking, So that is the water it makes,
mm,
and also it makes turmeric, right?
mm,
But we're not going to talk about turmeric right now. But we'll just talk about water. Yep.
yeah.
So we know that our body, right? Body is around 70 to 80% water.
Mm,
We are a predominantly a water body. For example, your blood is 82% water.
mm,
We might have, if you remember, we studied in school, or if you're from medical background, you can relate to this, that our body is 70 to 80% water.
yeah.
Yeah. And even can I ask you a question, June?
Yes.
Yeah. So whatever you're eating, whatever goes in your stomach, right?
Oh,
What is the percentage of water in it?
what is the percentage of water? 72?
72. Okay. It's a good guess. Yeah. No, it's a guess is guess, right? But doesn't matter what nationality you are or what culture or what, the average percentage of water in whatever goes in your stomach is 90%.
Mm-hmm.
90.
Yeah.
For, let's calculate, right? Your solid food. If you're having rice is cooked in what? 2 portions of water, 1 portions of rice. Similarly, your soups, your pasta, your noodles, everything is cooked in water.
Mm,
Your chicken rice, whatever, it's all cooked in water.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. If you're having pizza, the base of the pizza, the dough is made in water.
Yeah.
If you're having roti prata or chapatis, the dough is made in water. So solid food, whatever you're eating,
Mm,
on an average, I'm talking about average. Average is 80% water in the
mm,
solid food. Doesn't matter what your nationality you are, wherever. Average is 80% water.
mm,
And if you're drinking tea or coffee, green tea or anything, or water, that is 100% water.
mm,
Yeah. So average of 100 and 80 is 90% water which goes in your stomach.
mm.
So if 90% is water which goes in your stomach and your body is 70 to 80% water, how much is your health which should depend on water?
More than 70%.
Yeah, significant portion of your health should depend on water.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you talk about anyone, ask anyone, generally, ask anyone that how do you look after your health? The general response is that we eat good food. We eat good organic food. We use good oil, or we don't use oil. We eat raw. Yeah. Or we eat vitamins. Yeah.
Mm,
What about water? People in Melbourne, they say Melbourne water is very good.
mm,
Or people have some filter at home and they think the water is clean, that is good enough. But the question is the clean water only good enough for your good health, or you need something else in the water? Because for solid, we know we need to eat less oil, less fried, raw. If you eat some groundnuts, dry fruits, that is good for health. But for water, we only know about clean. Yeah. So let's go to the next slide. These are the famous places around the world where the water is considered as a medicinal. Other places are also good, but these are the famous places. Yeah. So one of the places, Ganga River, Ganges, which comes from Himalayas, glaciers, in India. That water is considered medicinal and spiritual from many thousands of years. People go and get the water home, and they have been using it for medicinal purposes, for religious purposes. Likewise, people of Islamic faith, Muslims, they go to Makkah and they bring Zamzam. If you go to anyone, like I visit people of Muslim faith, houses of Muslim faith, they have a can of Zamzam in their house. Even in Malaysia, I know people were using Zamzam, or a lot of restaurants' names are Zamzam, because that is a holy water for them. And likewise, people of in Europe, right, they consider the water from Lourdes in France as a spiritual, as a medicinal. And they use that water in baptism. Yeah. So Japanese scientists, after the World War II, they had severe problem of water. Their drinking water was not drinkable. They didn't have any natural source of water. And even the rainwater was acidic because of nuclear explosion, because of factories, etc. The water was not drinkable. So they started researching and they started visiting these places and tested the water. But what is in this water which is making it special? So when they tested these all water, they found three common properties. Three common properties because of whatever reason. Yeah. The three properties was antioxidant, alkaline, and microclustering. The first property is antioxidant. Have you heard of term antioxidant?
Yeah.
Can you explain me what is antioxidants?
I don't know. I just saw in the chemist sometimes they sell the antioxidant.
Oh, they sell tablets, is it?
Yeah, the tablets.
Okay. No, absolutely. So, do you have green tea, June?
Yes.
Okay. So, green tea is antioxidant.
Yeah.
It slows down your aging.
Yeah,
that is the reason we take antioxidants. Yeah, because what's happening is your cells are dying. To slow down your cells dying, you need to take some antioxidants. So this water was antioxidant. Yeah, and turmeric, if you have it raw, that is also antioxidants. Or strawberries, berries, that is also antioxidant. Yeah. Second property was alkaline. This water was alkaline. So whatever you're eating or drinking, right, that is either acidic or alkaline. It has to be either alkaline or acidic. Yeah, your body should be alkaline. That is to be healthy. Yeah, that I'll explain in a couple of slides. But this water was alkaline. And the third property is microclustering. Microclustering means the water was lighter. Yeah. Which means it is easy to digest. Yep. Compared to the water coming from a tap. Where do you live, June? Which suburb?
Tharnet.
Tharnet, okay. We are all in the western suburbs, so the water comes from City West, or the new name of the City West water is West Water. Yeah. The water coming in my tap, it is not antioxidant, it is oxidizing, which means rusting. Which means I put a nail, it will rust. So if we drink this water straight from the tap or filter, if the water is oxidizing, it will cause you oxidative stress. It will start killing your cells. Yep. Second property is the water is not alkaline, it is acidic. The tap water is mild acidic. If you're having acidic water, it will cause you acidic stress. Yep.
Mm.
And the water is not lighter, it is heavy, which means it will cause you hydrating stress, which means that you will not be able to drink a lot of water. And Melbourne weather is very dry. If it is dry and you are not feeling thirsty, like in Singapore, Malaysia, it's humid. India also is humid. So you feel thirsty. But out here, you don't feel thirsty, right? If you're thirsty, you usually take coffee or tea, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes, you're a bit thirsty, you drink it. Otherwise, you don't feel thirsty because it's not humid. And if the water is also heavy, which means you can't drink a lot of water. Yeah. So when Japanese scientists got to know, they basically said the good property should have these three properties: antioxidant, alkaline, and microclustering. So they invented a machine by name Kangen. Kangen means return to origin. So they made this machine in Japan 50 years back. And they use it as a medical equipment in Japan. They use it in hospitals and a lot of, for medical reasons. And they have tried on patients with various chronic issues. People have started seeing recovery. They have tried on students, people who are stressed. They have seen the recovery. And also they have tried on sportsmen or athletes. Their performance have increased when they drank this water. And it is quite famous with a lot of celebrities as well. The reason we are showing these names is not because they have money, but because they have advisors who advise them what they should eat and what they should drink. Yep. So they know what is good for them. Yeah. They know where to invest, how to look after their health. Yep. And even Bill Gates has got a lot of machines in his offices, in his house as well. Barack Obama has got these machines. When he was in White House, the videos basically showed these machines. And the doctor which you are talking about, his name is Dr. Hiromi Shinya. He is a Japanese doctor and he has written a lot of books like Enzyme Factor, world famous books. He's also famous for the inventions he has done. He has invented colonoscopy. The colonoscopy is a camera which goes in rectum. Yeah. So, and he is a super specialist of colon. Colon means the small intestine. Yeah. Have you heard of the term like gut health?
Yeah.
Gut health is if your small intestine is healthy, you are healthy. Yeah. So he basically is a super specialist of gut and he treats people of colon cancers, and then he also advises people how to remain healthy. And he can only advise people if they come to him. So to advise the general public, he has written a lot of books. These are knowledgeable books with a lot of knowledge and with a lot of scientific reason. He basically talks about why do you have hypertension, why do you have acid reflux, what you can do, why should you not drink cow milk. A lot of things are are basically people have a wrong impression. So he basically talks about what you should eat and drink so that you remain healthy. And the first book, Enzyme Factor, he talks about that what you should do. Just hang on. Yeah. Have you read this book, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So in his book, right, he basically, if you tilt the book, right, back page, he says, drinking Kangen water can help cure obesity. If you drink Kangen water, it will help you cure your obesity. We'll explain why it happens. Yep. And also he says that he treats his patients with Kangen water. Yeah. And that too, he's openly claiming it, which means there should be some science behind it, right? He works in New York and in Japan, Tokyo. 6 months here and there. Yeah. So these are the images of his patients, before and after. When they came to him, they had inflammation in their gut. And after 3 months of drinking Kangen water, the inflammation is reduced. This is a 45-year-old breast cancer patient with chronic constipation. 3 months of drinking this water, the constipation is reduced. This is a chemo. When someone goes through a cancer treatment, what happens is 3 months of drinking chemo, drinking Kangen water, right? Your cells come back alive. So what happens with chemo, right? June is like they are oxidized. They are all killed.
Yeah.
So when they drink antioxidant water, they come back alive. So I have got few patients who are going through chemo. Because what happens is their cells are dying and they're becoming lethargic. They don't have energy. Because cells is a powerhouse, right? If your cells are dead, you don't have power. So when the cells are dead, you have to bring them alive quickly. And that can only happen when you take some antioxidants. So instead of taking in tablets, you take it in the form of water. Yeah. If you don't take it in the water, you're taking oxidizing, which means it is only killing you. Yep. And 2 slides of theory, and then I show you the practical, right, June? So this is so that you understand, because it's not about purchasing, give me where I can buy it. It's about understanding why I should do it. Because we are all science students, we need to understand the concept. Yeah. And then you can buy from whatever, wherever you want. Yeah. So your cells, how many cells we have in our body?
I don't know. A lot.
Lot. Yeah, absolutely. No one, because there are trillions of cells.
Yeah.
We have cells in every part of the body, your head, your blood, your pancreas, your body, the whole part of the body, it has got trillions of cells. And there's a process called metabolism. Have you heard of the term metabolism?
Yeah.
Can you explain me in the layman's term?
I don't know how to explain in English, but I know it's roughly like how our body work to, because it will reduce through our when we're aging.
Absolutely. Absolutely. The reason you're right, because when you are aged, your metabolism drops.
Yeah.
The reason it drops is because your cells are dying. When your cells are dying, your metabolism also drops. So actually what is metabolism is whatever you're eating, right? It gets converted into nutrients. And oxygen which you're breathing from your nose, and the nutrients goes into the cells of the body, the trillions of cells. Yeah. And then it converts it into energy. Like a locomotive, like a train engine which runs on coal. When you put coal, it burns and then it gets energy and runs. Same thing happens with our body. When nutrients enter into the cell along with oxygen, it converts into heat. And because of the heat, the cells are alive and you get energy. When you eat food, what happens? Your body heats up, right? Yeah, because your cells are producing now heat. Yeah, that is whole process called metabolism. So for example, June, if you are manufacturing world's best product in Melbourne, in Tarnit, okay, but your transport system is weak. For example, if it is taking 2 to 3 months to reach your customer, will your company still survive even if you are having a world-class product? Same thing with our body. If your transport system, what is the transport system of the body? Which is blood. Because the function of the blood is to take nutrients and oxygen to each and every cell of the body. Your cells are not moving. The only thing which is moving in the body is the blood.
Yeah.
So function of the blood is to transport nutrients and oxygen to each and every cell of the body so that your metabolism can happen. When metabolism happens, your energy is good. Yeah. So it doesn't matter if you're eating the best food pyramid, but if your blood is weak, if it is not able to deliver those nutrients and oxygen to the cell, your metabolism will be low. In Melbourne, we might be eating better food compared to our country of origin, but your metabolism is still low, and you're feeling lethargic. Reason is because your metabolism is low. That is happening because your blood is not good. And what is blood made up of?
Water.
Water. 82% of the blood is water. If you need good blood, you need good water. Simple as that. You don't need to do a lot of magics here and there, this tablet. You need to make your blood better by drinking good water. If your blood is good, your metabolism will be as expected and you get energy. Let's move to the next slide. This is the last slide of theory, and then I show you practical, right? So your cells, right? Cell, why it's called cell, June? Because it is like a battery. Battery, positive and negative. Same thing with our cell. Your cells has got electrons outside in the orbit. And then you have nucleus and then protons in the middle. That is the whole reason you're calling it cell. Okay. And then cells have electrons and protons. When they are equal, your net charge is 0. But what happens is, because of radiation, because of inflammation, because of electromagnetic radiation or whatever, your phones, your microwave, whatever, wherever you are, we can't escape, right? Wi-Fi, all those reasons, your cells, they lose their electrons. When they lose their electrons, they are called free radicals, which means it is willing to take in electrons from your other cells. So it is a free radical. And once the cell becomes free radical, it will start stealing electrons from other cells and then make the other cell also free radical. And then once it becomes a chain reaction, it is called oxidative stress. And if you do Google, what is the root cause of high blood pressure, diabetes, extreme cases, cancer, it is oxidative stress. That is the root cause, because your cells are not functioning to the optimum. Their efficiency drops and there are a lot of free radicals. In extreme cases, what happens is the cells are all next to each other because the cells have lost their charge. When they lose a charge, then it causes, in extreme cases, right? And then it can cause a lot of things, migraine, eczema, whatever, doesn't matter. Because these are the medical terms of the diseases. The thing is, your body is not in balance. It is not able to balance the free radicals. You need to take antioxidants. And when should you take the antioxidant? When it starts. If you don't take it, later on you take it as a medicine, it is too late, right? The best way to take it is when it starts. Now let's come to the practicals. So everything is oxidizing, June. When you cut an apple, leave it outside, it becomes brown. It is dying. What is happening to us? We are also aging. We are also slowly dying. When you peel a banana, leave it outside, it becomes black because it is oxidized. The only thing you can do is slow it down, slow down the oxidation, slow down the aging. That can only happen by taking some antioxidants. If 90% of the food what you're having is water, then why not change the water, right? These are different liquids which we have placed on the chart. And the antioxidants are antioxidation and oxidation is measured in the form of ORP, oxidation reduction potential, ORP. Like your current is measured in amperes, your antioxidations are measured in ORP, oxidation reduction potential. And then this is a meter. Let me show you this meter. This is a meter which measures the ORP. This is a knob. When I put the knob in the liquid, it will measure the antioxidation. On the right side of me, there are liquids like your tap water, mineral water, cool drinks are all oxidizing, which means it will kill your cells. It will make your cells more free radicals. On my left side, the antioxidants are green tea, vitamin C, cod liver oil, or maximum is Kangen water. Yep. So what I will do is I will stop the share so that I can show you my glasses. Yeah. I'll just let me bear with me. I'm putting the glasses and then I'll bring it down. Yep. So can you see the glasses?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not the front one. I couldn't see.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
So the first one, what I do is I put Kangen water. Okay. This is like a normal water. You can't make out from your eyes. What is the difference here? This is your tap water. I'm putting tap water here. And then I also use Sprite, cool drinks.
Yeah.
Any fuzzy drinks here. It doesn't matter Sprite, you can take any drinks here. But I've taken this because it is transparent here.
Yeah.
And then what I do is I put this knob into the Kangen water first. This is antioxidant water, though it will go negative. Can you tell me the reading? Because I can't see it.
370. Yeah. Now
is it minus or negative or plus?
Negative.
Negative. So this is antioxidant. Now let me put this knob in the tap water. Yeah. What's the reading?
90. It's keep going. 100 and plus.
Yeah, so it will keep going. It will go to 250 plus.
Oh.
Now let me put it back in the Kangen water. Yeah, here. What is the reading?
Negative 300 plus and still going.
Okay. Now let me put the knob back in your tap water. What is it?
100 and still going.
Okay, okay. I can put it in your cool drinks, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool drink will be highly oxidizing. It will go till 300. Yeah. Can you see it? It's going positive, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me put it back in the tap water. Yeah. So your cool drinks, your tap water, your mineral water, your RO water are all oxidizing. Yeah, so choice is yours, right? How do you want to take antioxidants? You can take it in the form of green tea, but if you're having 90% normal water, which is oxidizing, your net effect will be oxidizing. You take one pill of antioxidants, but why are you adding some foreign particle in your body? When, why can't you take it in the form of water? You're using water for everything. Yeah. So let's look at this video and then I'll explain to you. Yeah?
Okay.
See how this type of water affects human blood. The doctor is drawing blood from a patient's finger. Using a special microscope, we shall be able to see the condition of her body from this drop.
These are red blood cells and they've lost their electrical charge. So they're all stuck together in a formation called a rouleau. Here's a huge symplas. Symplas are associated with heart disease and arthritis and lung disease and many other conditions that could be coming in the future.
The doctor asks the patient to drink a small amount of structured water. After 12 minutes, the doctor again draws blood from the patient and studies it.
So you can see that the cells then become buoyant, they become slippery, and they have their electrical charge, so they repel each other. That allows them to carry oxygen And it means that we're changing the pH of the blood back to an aerobic environment rather than an anaerobic environment. I think that's utterly amazing that that just drinking water could do that.
So June, what Dr. did was it was taken a sample of the blood under the microscope so we can see the cells. And cells were next to each other, and that is a potential cause of some chronic issues. Could be in livers, could be in lungs, could be where doesn't matter. Then the doctor gave them a structured water, which is Kangen water. It is also called structured because it is properly structured. And after 10 minutes or 12 minutes, when they check the blood, reason of checking after 12 minutes, because the water goes in the bloodstream and then it reaches around the body. Then you took the sample of blood, your cells, they got their electrons back. Reason is Kangen water is negative is because it has got additional electrons. It is a electrons giver, antioxidants. Your tap water is having it's positive, which means it is lacking electrons. So this is electrons giver. So when you give electrons to your cells becomes aligned and they repel each other. They go back to their position. Simple as that. You don't need to every time talk about medicines. Of course, when you have some injury, you will go to the doctors, but a lot of things you can treat yourself. You don't need to, it's not about treatment, it's about precaution. And the best precaution is the water. If you take good water, something good will happen. I'm not a doctor, but I know what is good water. This is normal thing you can do at your home when you have Kangen machine. And when you try the water and put nails, your Kangen water, your nails in the Kangen water will slowly rust compared to your tap water, which rusts quickly. Because it is antioxidants. This is a normal experiment. Like when people have antioxidant, their aging slows down. Everyone is going to die. We are all humans. We die eventually. But we can slow down our aging. That is in our control. By depend on what you are eating and what you're drinking. We are what we eat. If we eat rubbish, we will become rubbish, because inside it's a factory, it's inside, something is happening, right? Some chemicals, reactions. So depending on what you're eating, if you're eating good, something good will happen. This is the second property of the water, which is alkaline, which we started our conversation with alkaline. So Kangen water is alkaline compared to your tap water. Just hang on. Compared to your tap water or mineral water, that is mild acidic, and your cool drinks are highly acidic. And why should we drink alkaline water? You have heard about that our body should be alkaline. Can you explain me, June, what do you mean by body should be alkaline?
Should be neutral. Because we consume a lot of acidic food, that's why we need alkaline to balance it out. No?
Of course, balance is good because our body needs to balance. The reason it should be alkaline is because our blood is alkaline. Simple as that. Because everything is about concept. If you understand scientifically, then it goes into your head. Otherwise, it is someone told me, but I don't know why. When people say your body should be alkaline, which means your blood, not your stomach. Your stomach should be acidic because it has to digest. Your blood should be alkaline, should be mild alkaline, which is 7.365. And then and then we are all eating, you said everything we're eating is acidic. So how would you keep your body alkaline? By changing something which is alkaline. If 90% of your diet is water, why not change the water to alkaline? Simple as that. So now let me stop the share. And what I do is I have a pH drops. This is a pH indicator drops.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put it in the liquid. The first is Kangen water. This will change into purple.
Mm.
This is your tap water,
Mm.
light green. This is fuzzy drink. This is orangish.
Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you're drinking this, and if you drink Kangen water, look what's going to happen. This will start turning into alkaline.
Mm.
Okay. But the problem is your cool drinks. If
Mm.
you are drinking cool drinks,
Yeah.
it is too acidic.
Yeah.
Too acidic. Yeah. What will happen is even if I put alkaline water, nothing's going to happen.
Oh,
I
okay.
put tap water, nothing will happen. But if I put the diluted cool drinks into your Kangen water, look what's going to happen.
Mm.
This has turned acidic.
Yeah.
Your tap water, acidic. So now all the three liquids are all acidic.
Mm.
Reason is for if you are drinking a cool drink, 1 glass of cool drink, you need around 30 glasses of Kangen. Yeah. And if you're not drinking Kangen water, you're drinking normal tap water, you need around 150 glasses, approximate, because of its pH.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So the choice is yours, right? How you want to make your body remain alkaline,
Mm.
optimally alkaline, the amount of alkaline you need to be.
Mm.
I'm not talking about too alkaline because too alkaline is also bad. You need to make it optimally alkaline by taking something which is alkaline. Yeah.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
if 90% of your diet is water, better to change your water to alkaline. Yeah. And also think, June, right, the tap water, right, has got some harmful chemicals. It is not coming from nature. It is coming from reservoirs, and from reservoir to your house, before it comes, they add chlorine.
Yes. Mm.
And also they add lye. Lye is a chemical which is alkaline, which is like plaster of Paris. They add in the water because when they add chlorine, the water becomes too acidic.
Mm.
So to make it bit neutral, because if it is too acidic, your pipes will start rusting.
Yes.
So to make it neutral, they put lye. So it is not natural water. It has got chemicals. It is processed water. It is processed. Yeah.
Mm.
So Kangen water, what it does, it unprocesses it. It removes all those harmful chemicals, and through ionization, it makes it the water alkaline and
Mm.
antioxidants.
Mm.
Yeah. To bring it and to give you natural water, we cannot go and stay in Himalayas. We cannot go and stay in Lords. We are in Melbourne.
Mm.
Yeah. Because olden days we never kept, for example, in olden days our houses were open.
Mm.
We didn't need a lot of security. Then they started putting locks. Now we put CCTV. We put, we things have changed. Yeah, things have changed, right? Because now we are living in a different world altogether. We need to at least have something which is natural. Everything is processed. Your fruits, vegetable, everything is processed. They put chemicals, Yeah.
Yeah.
And what happens is when the baby is born, right? This is about body's life cycle. When the baby is born, right? They are born alkaline. They're coming from mother's womb. And as they're growing older and older, they are getting into neutral and acidic state. That is natural. Usually, when people start turning 40, 35 to 40, that is the time they start having chronic issues, which they never had before. Because your body is slowly turning into acidic. And when you're getting older, you have to start taking alkaline diet. Yeah. The best way to take alkaline and antioxidant is water, because 90% is water. Yeah. So it is not about drinking 1 glass. It is changing the whole water. When you're drinking water, drink Kangen water. When you're cooking, use this water. People say, I drink alkaline water from supermarket. People don't have the full knowledge. They think alkaline water is alkaline water. Then people go and drink alkaline water from the store and not knowing what is in it. That water is more worse than your tap water. Because those comes in the single-use plastic, first of all. And then they add baking soda. Baking soda is your sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is very bad for your health, for your livers, for your kidneys. Yeah. So people know limited knowledge is bad for you, if you need to have full knowledge. Otherwise, don't get into small knowledge. You think that is the thing. Let me go and experiment. People come to me, they have been drinking alkaline water from the stores. That is really bad for your health, or else don't do anything. First of all, if you really want alkaline water, use this because it doesn't have any chemicals. It is ionized. And then there's a lot of Western scientists and doctors have started researching, lately. And this is almost 100 years back. His name is Dr. Otto Heinrich. You can Google. He got Nobel Prize because he gave a thesis on the root cause of cancer. He mentioned that if the body is acidic or hypoxia, lack of oxygen, there are high chances of having cancer. And no disease, including cancer, can live in an alkaline environment. All right. So if you go, I have got clients who are GP and other doctors. If you ask them, right, why can't you basically, if you know that alkaline water is good, why can't you prescribe beforehand? When people have cancer, then the doctor said you should have alkaline food. Why not before? Because doctors are used to giving medicines. Yeah, that is what they're taught, to give medicines. Yeah. And this is, he says that no disease, including cancer, can live in an alkaline environment. Yeah. And now let's come to the third property of the water, which is microclustering. This water is lighter compared to your tap water. Yep. Just hang on. And why should we drink lighter water, not heavy water? So, June, a question to you. What kind of water did your ancestors drink? What was the source of the water?
Spring water, maybe?
Spring water, well water.
Yeah, well water, yes.
Spring water and well water was moving continuously, flowing.
Yes.
Flowing. Yeah. Because of flowing, because of friction, because of hitting the rocks and friction moving, the water was lighter. Nowadays, we drink the water coming from reservoir, from tank, and then we store it in a container. The water becomes heavy because the molecules stick to each other. Yeah. How do you make tea, June?
Sorry, can I ask a question? So in that sense, if we drink Kangen water, it's better to drink from the tap, or if we put in the container for a long time, will it become less microclustering?
Yes, of course. This water is ionized, so you recommended that you drink it from the machine, fresh from the machine. If you can't drink from the machine, you keep it for maximum 2 days, not more than 2 days outside. Because what will happen is it will slowly start become heavy, start losing its alkalinity and then antioxidants. Because it doesn't have any added chemicals.
Yeah.
Do you want chemicals or do you want without chemicals, right? Because you need to have natural. Because the chemical, the minerals are already in the water. Calcium, magnesium, sodium, they're already there. You only want to remove the acidic chemicals which has been added to kill the germs. Yeah. And the way to make and June, how do you make tea? Can I ask simple, like what is the process of making tea?
You heat out the water.
Yes. You heat the water. Why do you heat the water? When you heat the water, the water becomes lighter, it becomes steam.
Yeah.
When it becomes steam, it can penetrate into your tea bags. Yeah, same thing out here, right? Let me show you, right? Because everything is practical, right? You need to really see. So here are two glasses.
Yes.
One I'm putting Kangen water. I'll just get clear of. Yeah, I'm putting Kangen water here. And then my other glass, I put tap water. And then I have got two green tea bags. Put it in these both glasses. And where the color is changing, that water will be lighter.
Yeah.
Yep. Can you see the color changing?
Yes, on the right one on my
Yeah.
screen.
This is changed, Kangen water. This is not changed. Yeah. So here, this is the water is over the difference. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So simple as that. If you drink this water is lighter, which means you can drink more amount of water. If your usual drinking capacity is 2 glasses, you should be easily be able to drink 5 glasses. Like I drink around approximately 12 to 16 glasses a day. Yep. So when you drink this water, your blood will become lighter, and then it can easily penetrate into the cells, which means your metabolism will go up, will be better, and you will get energy. Yeah. And if you don't drink this water, you drink heavy water, you know, that water, your blood will be heavy, and it is hard for it to penetrate into the cells. And if it cannot penetrate to the cell, what will happen to the nutrients? It will get stored around the cell as fat.
Yeah.
And what does fat causes? Fat causes obesity.
Yeah.
That is the reason Dr. Hiromi Shinya, in his book, he says, drinking Kangen water can help cure obesity because it will improve your metabolism. When I purchased my machine, I knew someone in one street behind, they were drinking from last 3 months. So I went to them a couple of times. I said, what is happening to you? Tell me the name of the disease which has been fixed. They said, look, I don't know about disease, but 2 things have happened in their life. One is their energy level has gone up. They're eating the same kind of food which they were eating before drinking Kangen water, but their energy level has gone up. Second thing was their immunity has gone up because their body is better. It is not acidic. So they were falling less sick. Same thing happened with us. Our energy level has gone up because nothing has changed, same food, but your energy level gone up because you're drinking Kangen water. It is not about magic. It is about scientific reasoning. Why it is happening? What happens? Because your blood is better than before. Yeah. So what is the real, ultimate use of Kangen water is superior hydration. You can drink more water. All right. And then it is the best transport system to deliver nutrients and oxygen, which is your blood. It will improve your transport system. The third is detoxification. When it goes into the blood, it will detox you. It will remove your acidic waste. If your blood cannot go into your cell, what will happen to your cell? They will die. Because it is not going, it is not removing anything. The best way of detoxing is having some water which can easily penetrate into your cell. That is your Kangen water. And you have read Enzyme Factor. I really compliment what you have done. There's one more book you should read, is Killing Cancer, Not People. It is written by Robert G. Wright. He is the executive director of American Anti-Cancer Institute. Very famous book. It comes and goes. Lot of copies are sold. And in his book, he has written around 6 pages where in one of the chapter he says that if you drink this ionized Kangen water from Enagic, it might save your life. The cancer treatment for a patient in USA is $6,000 a day. This is cheaper than that. We do everything for our good health. We do exercise, we eat good food, but consider water as well, because that is the largest, highest portion of our food. Yeah. So a lot of people, a lot of scientists, they have recommended they should drink this water, yeah, for a good health. And this machine which Prakash has got, I have got, this is not only making Kangen water, it is also making other kinds of water from the same machine. One water is strong Kangen water. So June, how do you wash your fruits and vegetables?
I got the ozone generator.
Ozone generator, okay.
Yeah, I usually use that to clean my fruit. Veggie.
That is killing the germs, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can it also remove your pesticides?
This I'm not sure.
Okay, fine. So this strong Kangen water can help you remove your pesticides. I'll show it to you quickly. Yeah? The Kangen water, which we already talked about, which is meant for drinking and cooking. The third is clean water for babies. You don't want to give alkaline water for babies, but you need to give clean water, which is chlorine removed. Any chemicals, rust, which is coming in the water, removed.
Why baby cannot drink alkaline water?
Because the baby is already alkaline.
Uh,
Because babies till the age of 7, they are already alkaline.
So around what age then they can safe to consume Kangen water?
Not about safe, it's not about safe. Like my son, from the age of 5, he is drinking Kangen water. Babies are already alkaline. They smell very good, right? They smell very good because their body is alkaline. And when you go and sit next to an elderly person or a person who is obese, their body is acidic, they are smelling. Yeah. So this water is recommended. Clean water is meant for babies, and when you are making baby formula and you are taking medicines. Yeah. For others ages like yourself, your wife, your parents, everyone should drink Kangen water. Like when you drink, and when you're cooking, also use Kangen water. Yeah.
When I bought the machine, June, my son was around 3 years, and he has been consuming Kangen water from the age of 3, and that also 9 and 9.5.
So it all depends, June. Depends what you want to do. How do you want? But it is said that babies till age of 7, they are alkaline. That is a human life. And then it slowly starts becoming neutral and then acidic. Yeah. So that is your choice, but babies should not be consuming because they're already alkaline. They need clean water. Simple as that. Yeah. The other is beauty water. Beauty water is good for skin. Your skin has a pH. If you Google, your pH of the skin is 4.5 to 6. That is the pH range of the skin. Yeah. So this water is meant for rinsing your face, rinsing for your hair. Yeah. It's good for your skin. The last is a strong acidic water, which is used for sterilizing and sanitizing, like Dettol. Yep. Let's move to the strong Kangen water. Your fruits and vegetables which you buy from Coles or Woolies or Aldi, wherever you're buying from, that these fruits and vegetables has got pesticides.
Yes.
And the pesticide are oil based. If it is a water based, what will happen is when you irrigate, your pesticides will be washed off. Yeah. So you need to, if you wash it with if it is oil based, can you remove your oil with water? No, because oil and water don't mix.
Yes.
Yeah. So now let me show you how we remove oil. Yeah. So I'll just stop the share. I have taken oil here, sesame oil.
Yep. Mm.
And then I put water, your tap water in one. Your tap water and your oil will not mix, it will create a layer.
Yep.
Now then I'm taking strong Kangen water, which is from my machine.
11.5.
So this is not meant for drinking, but it is used for rinsing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here it is. I am taking strong Kangen water, and then I put in this glass.
Mm.
What it does, it emulsifies the oil. It breaks the oil.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
Here I put it. It is breaking the oil. So what will happen is it will use to remove the pesticides from your fruits and vegetables.
Mm.
You are having ozone, or you're using to kill the germs.
Mm.
But what is happening you can do it by this water itself. You don't need strong, you need something which can remove your pesticides.
Mm.
Otherwise, I'll send you some videos of mine where there's heaps of pesticides in your fruits and vegetables.
Mm.
Your pesticide is everywhere. Your rice has got so much of pesticides
Mm.
which cannot be removed.
Mm.
Yeah. So this is not just a health, this is not a water machine, it is a health device. Yep. So there's a lot you can do to, and health is not it's a choice, right?
Mm.
And for health, you need to look after yourself. You need to change your lifestyle.
Mm.
Because if you don't change your lifestyle, things will go wrong, because that is a wrong, something bad is happening.
Mm.
Like you can't be having drinks every day,
Yeah.
You can't be sitting, you have to move your body. Yep. And this water, strong Kangen water, which is 11.5, it is also used to wash your clothes, to remove the oil stains. All right. So there's a lot of benefits of this water. It can be used for hangovers, for migraines. And then this is a beauty water, which is 4.5 to 6. This water has got the same pH as your skin. And if you wash your skin with water, given that we are in Melbourne, which is very dry, people tend to have skin diseases.
Mm.
Because it is not moist, it is not getting moisture. 70% of our skin is water. So if you wash with this water, which is chlorine removed water, it will help you to have control your oil.
Mm.
All right. And then it will help you to have good skin. Lot of issues happens because we're not rinsing with the right amount of water, and we're putting creams later on. But we need to focus on prevention.
Mm.
Yeah, that is much easier. That is in our control.
Mm.
And then the strong acidic water, which also comes from the same machine, it is used to treat skin issues like eczema.
Mm.
Have you heard of the term eczema?
Yeah. It will
So
cause itchiness.
Sorry.
It will cause itchiness, isn't it? Itchy.
Yeah, it is dryness, right? And a
Yeah.
lot of kids get eczema. Even adults get eczema in Melbourne or Australia
Mm.
because it's so dry.
Yeah.
So you can treat it with normal acidic water, 2.5.
Mm.
And psoriasis is basically again a skin disease. You drink normal Kangen water and then use this water, spray it on the affected areas, your psoriasis is cleared.
Why only can drinking 7 pH?
Huh? No, it is drinking 7, 8.5, 9, and 9.5.
Oh, okay, all right. Yeah. Mhm.
7 is neutral, right? Because neutral is not good enough. You're already having a lot of acidic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, your tap water is 6.5.
Mm.
Yeah. So you need to take something alkaline. Otherwise, everything you're taking acidic, right? What is you tell me one thing you're taking alkaline in your diet. Alkaline has to be raw, like avocado, green leafy vegetable, but you need to have it raw. Otherwise, whatever you're taking is all acidic. Your chocolates, your sugar, your anything with soya sauce, everything is all acidic. There's nothing alkaline. People say alkaline, but you're already taking acidic. You know, if you're not consuming acidic, you're already taking alkaline, then you don't need to anything. You can remain healthy, but that will be killing you. That will be compromising a lot of things which you like. You know, but one thing which is you don't need to change your lifestyle is just by changing the water. At least it will start giving you some precaution. Yeah. Any questions, June?
No. All good.
Okay. So this machine, right? These machines were the first in the world to be developed. You know, they invented this technology, and this is a Japanese machines, and they got all the certificates under the sun. Like it is a medical device, as I mentioned previously. So it has got ISO 13485, which is a medical device certificate. Yep. And these are used in hospitals. It has also got a WQA gold seal certificates. This is a WQA certificate, yep, which is only given to companies which are basically one of the only machine which has got WQA certificate. It is a water certificate, yeah. And these machines, right, they are basically has a June is got a long life. 25 to 50 years is the lifespan, because the machines which are 25-year-old are still alive. They're still running. We don't know when they will go faulty. So the range is 25 to 50 years. It's a long range. And they come with a 5 years bumper to bumper warranty. You can purchase additional 3 years of warranty if you like. Yeah. And these machines have got metals which don't rust. They are medical grade metals like platinum coated titanium plates. The reason they're used a platinum coated titanium because they don't rust. They can use a metal like iron as well, but that will rust. That will spoil your health. Yeah. So these are basically, and with all the medical certificates, and you know, these are medical grade machines. And they make these machines is with, you know, one machine at a time, like hand assembled.
So another thing just now you mentioned about the lifespan. How can we measure, or how can we make sure it's on the peak performance? Do we have to check or something every year?
Look, your company, you can check the performance by using by testing your water, right, by pH.
Okay. Yeah.
By using ORP meter.
Yeah.
And by checking chlorine. I have got chlorine drops in it. You can check it. So the company recommends that you should send it to them after 4 years for deep cleaning.
Oh, so we have to send it back every four years.
4 years for deep cleaning. What happens, June, is like when the water goes in, these plates get you know, calcium gets deposited around the plates.
Yeah.
So to keep your plates healthy, you have to send it to them for deep cleaning, which cost $40.
So how long it will be? Because during that period, there's a gap. We couldn't use the water, isn't it?
No, it doesn't matter. Look, people send it after 5 years, 6 years, doesn't matter. Yeah. It is recommendation, right? Yeah. And then what happens is every month you have to clean the machine by a press of button. It's a process. Process starts 2 minutes. You press a button, it runs. It cleans the machine by itself. Yeah. So you're already cleaning the machine, but you know, like your June, what kind of car you have?
Just Toyota.
Toyota, right? Do you send it for maintenance?
Yeah.
Okay. So the same thing out here, as you also have to maintain because it is also a machine.
Yes. Yes.
So, but the good thing is a lot of maintenance, you can do it yourself. You don't need to call a plumber or a technician. You can do it yourself. It is all in your control. Yeah. Like Prakash can explain you later on that what he does for maintenance. He basically presses a button. There's a button, the e-cleaning, it's called. It
Right.
cleans the machine. Yeah. And after 4 years, company recommends that you should clean the machine, do a deep cleaning. Yeah, that is it doesn't cost much, but it's $40. You can do it once. Yeah. But the best part is these are machines meant for your life. So your investment is once in your life. Otherwise, you do this, you do that, and all that. A lot of things happens, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And these machines, the company says you should try to drink this water fresh from the machine because the antioxidant and alkaline property wears off after 2 to 3 days. Yep. Because it doesn't have chemicals. The water which you buy from coals, like alkaline water or mineral water, they don't spoil after 1 year, 6 months. Have you really thought why it is not spoiling?
Yeah, I saw on the even in the coast they're selling alkaline water, but the expiring date is actually very long.
Very
So
long,
1
right?
year, 1
Yeah.
year and a bit more.
Yeah, reason is because they're adding chemicals, right? It is not spoiling.
Yeah.
They're also adding sodium bicarbonate.
Yeah. Preservative.
I have got alkaline water. I can show it to you. Let me show you this water. This is the alkaline water. Yeah. If I show you, I'll just take it out. This is alkaline, but it is not antioxidant.
Oh, okay.
So here, look, let me show. Yeah. Here it is. This one. I put this ORP meter. What is the reading?
300.
It is more oxidizing than your tap water.
Oh.
So it is, you might be thinking that, oh, alkaline, this is very healthy, but this is only doing a lot of damage.
Okay.
People, sometimes people have half knowledge.
But if you put the pH drop, is alkaline, still
Okay,
alkaline.
yeah, pH drop alkaline. I'll put pH drop also in this. Where it is mine here. Yeah, this is, I'm putting here pH drop. This will be alkaline. This is okay. This is green color. If I put water, tap water here, so look at the color difference here.
Yeah.
And then if you take normal Kangen water, that will be purple. So this is around 7.5 or 8. This is 6.5. But the problem is your tap water might be better because it is less oxidizing than your alkaline water. You know, sometimes, you know, these are all marketing techniques.
Yeah.
2 years back, I've seen that they were selling ionized water in stores.
Yeah. It's not cheap.
No. They were selling in bottles.
Oh.
How can you sell ionized water in bottles? When it wears off in 2 to 3 days, how can you sell it?
Yeah, true.
It is all marketing technique, June. It's all marketing. They don't have, they try to fool people. Yeah, simple as that. They use the words like antioxidant, alkaline for their own benefit. Yeah. But you need to know, because a lot of things are, you need to really understand why, and then, because this is question of your health. Yeah. So now these machines are all made in Japan, June. Like this company was set up around 50 years back in Japan. And from last 20 years, it started selling around the world, including Australia 12 years back. 12 years back, the office got opened in Malaysia, Singapore, India, USA, everywhere. Okay. So, and these are original equipment. All the parts of the machine gets manufactured in the same machine, in the same factory. And the question is like, you know, June, now your choice is yours, right? What you want to drink, what you want to give it to your wife, what you want to give it to your kids, your parents, right? Because, you know, once you have knowledge, you need to really implement it, right? You know, what is good for you. Yeah. And everyone's, you know, can you, after listening to this, June, do you know any family which might not need this water?
No, everyone need.
Everyone need, right? Yeah. Because everyone is intelligent, right? They, if they know, they should, you know, and including you as well, right? Yeah, everyone should be drinking some good water. Yeah. Let's look at the video and then we close the presentation. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I've been inspired by Bob Grudelli viewing similar video online that shows active hydrogen in Kangen water. So I want to do the same test today. So let's do it. Gonna open up the water. And, now, with 2 lighters, we're gonna hear active hydrogen in Kangen water. Pretty sure you can hear it. It's sparkling noise. The active hydrogen makes it very powerful antioxidant. And the antioxidants in our body fight off free radical damage and cellular damage. So it's very, very important. Okay. All right, and now I'm gonna collect 1 glass of Kangen water. I'm gonna show you oxygenation in this water. So first, we're gonna see white cloud of the oxygenation in the water and the thousands of tiny bubbles that will be collected in the glass. And that's why we need to drink this water fresh, straight from the machine, because of this potency of oxygenation and active hydrogen levels. You can see it, I'm pretty sure. So, here we go. All right, that's enough. Thank you.
So, June, what happens is like when the water comes fresh, the water comes with a white cloud, and the white cloud is oxygen. That goes off after 10 seconds because it mixes in the environment. So the white cloud disappears and becomes transparent water. And the water has got active hydrogen, which is antioxidant. So there are bubbles, which is hydrogen bubbles in the water. And then the fourth is your alkaline and microcluster. So there are basically 4 properties in this water. Yep. And the reason why it will help you, because I'm not a doctor, but when you listen to Dr. Otto Henrich, he basically said that no disease, including cancer, can live in an alkaline environment. Yeah. So we need to understand, and your cancer cells will, will not survive in high levels of oxygen. Yeah. So it is giving you all the 4 properties in the water itself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So any question, June?
So far, not.
Nice. No, it's good because a lot of things are recording. Yeah.